Hey, how's it going? This one's a little bit different. Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture of three characters. It's going to be Godzilla, it's going to be Pomni from the Amazing Digital Circus, and it's going to be Skibidi Toilet. All of them mixed in one character, so let's get started right now. Hey, how's it going? We're going to merge three characters this time. It's going to be Godzilla, then it's going to be Pomni from the Amazing Digital Circus, and then it's going to be Skibidi Toilet, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to go right here. I'm going to throw a line downward right here for kind of the front of Godzilla's mouth. Pulling back up for the top of Godzilla's snout. Line up over here, kind of for the front of the brow there. And I'm going to pull a line over here and a line back down. And it's going to be kind of for Pomni's hat up there. We'll do that in a minute. Line back here, up. Line over here, down. Curve back over here, back of the jaw, right there. It's kind of like Godzilla's mouth without the teeth right now. Curve line. Line down over here, and teeth, right there. So now we have Godzilla's mouth so far, right? The silhouette's pretty, pretty good, pretty decent. I'm gonna draw a line downward over here for the eye. It's kind of flat out, down. Dot right here for the nostril. Up over here, cross down. Back of the ear there. And draw a line down over here. That's kind of like a separator kind of line right there from the front of his throat to the back there. All right. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a line right here for the toilet. We're going to angle the toilet a little bit. And then we're going to keep angling down. We're going to keep that line down right there for the rest of Godzilla's neck. Let's go over here and draw that little island. Gonna go over here now. Up, back for kind of Pomni's hat. Right there. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way. This stuff is really hard to do, and if you hit like, it really, really helps the video out. Helps it go out to more people. Just let me, if you do like this and you like what I do here, I appreciate it if you do like share it or just press the like. Down right there. Because these things are really hard. Circle. And now we're going to do the other side. Up over here, out over there, down, circle. Out over here, down, down, down right here. Line, line, line. Back over here, curve line down right there. These are just like detail lines I'm throwing in there. So, okay. Let's get into the Skibidi Toilet part. So the Pomni, we have Godzilla, and let's get into the Skibidi Toilet. Line down over here. Curve underneath for the bowl. Curve underneath for the bowl. Line down on this side. Curve over here. And down over here on this side. Right on. Let's put a line over here for the actual toilet bowl seat. Line over here, down, back. Down over here, underneath, up. Curve line. So you got the tank back here, right, so far? Like, we're almost done, by the way. It's funny, we're only 4 minutes in, but we're almost done. So if we just look at it right now, we take kind of, we take a look at what's going on so far. The bowl's back. The bowl's right here. We got the toilet bowl seat. We got the seat right there. We have the seat right here, and then we have the tank in the back. Line right here down. Line right here down. Line right here down. Line up. Line up. Angle, curve down like right here. Circle. Line, line. Curve line underneath. Up, up. And then right here we're drawing these thin areas right here. So these curved little lines, right? These curved lines. Line over here. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of shadow under the neck because I want to bring attention right here to this area. So putting a little line right there, and then I'm filling in this shadow. See that? So that shadow is contrast, and that contrast is going to make us look more in that area first, right? You're guiding the viewer's eye primarily. Maybe a dark right here in front of the eye itself. And like I said, the viewer's eye tends to travel to that contrast right off the bat when you're looking at something. Line over here in the back as well. So we're going to do a little line right there in the back. See, to have some dark in the mouth. Curve right here. Curve right here. And then we're going to throw another little dark right here along the edge of the bowl. Right? Alright. Just kind of keep it as is. And then a line down right here. Down right here. Line right here underneath. Up. Same thing. And at this point, this is more of like decision making, right? Because we're pretty much done. We're just kind of going in and putting in some touches in order for the audience to kind of... one more thing, by the way. Stay with me till the end right here. We're pretty much done. Let's draw a line right here. Right here. Right here on the tube. Right? To kind of give it a different kind of feel and value. Line right here as well. There we go. Line right here. Nice. And so he has some lines right here on the snake belly, and that's pretty much it. Line right there on the snake belly of his neck right there. Line, line, line. And there you go. That's pretty much it. If you want, you could also draw like, you know, maybe lines out there of like his fire breath, but it's not necessary. But that's pretty much good enough. I want to thank you very much for watching. You're amazing. Check out the cool stuff in the description. There's so much free stuff in there that it's good. Like there's an ebook, there's a Godzilla head drawing ebook. There's all kinds of stuff in there. Take a look at it. There's playlists. And then I want you to stay here for the next drawing lesson, okay? So stay here right now, and we're going to go into the very next drawing lesson right now.
Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.